my name is Irana. I'm trying to show you how to do this round blanket. This is baby round blanket, you see. I did inside multiple color. I bought them on Amazon, okay? Not it's about 30 by 30 inches with a white and white because it's round. So now I'm trying to do another one just to show how I did it. It's not hard at all. You're doing probably same like you do pillow, you know. So we're going to make a chain. Okay, I'll leave this for to have it, and we do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, and we join in rounds. So I'm gonna join rounds this way. In first here, you see, and I'm doing stitches like this. Knit, knit, knit stitches. The first round with the knit stitches. What we're gonna do with this inside we're gonna pull this all around and close. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's it. So you close and you have like this, but this is gonna be too small. We're gonna mark. That was the last that we did it. Pull. Okay, something like that. See, this will be too small to continue and make blanket. So we're going to mark when we stop. This was the last one that we stop. And between them, we adding stitch, but do them very carefully. If you lose them, it will be big hole between them. Every other stitch, because see how they are not yet round. Adding, making knit stitch between them in this somewhere space available. We do knit, and again another knit. We do knit and another knit. Here knit, not big one like this, because gonna be hole. Try until you get all increases done. Make them everything tight. I have other blanket. It was not tight. It can get loose. Look ugly. Okay, we add here, we do this. We looking to the, put the space, to not put in here, put somewhere that it's keep it new stitch in, then in this new stitch, looking this way, you put stitch, and you put an again stitch, and I think this will be the last one, and then we gonna crochet last one, almost last one. This was the last one, right? So we add the stitch here in the last one, we add the stitch, and this gonna be last one, we put this. So let's see what we got. We got this way, see that? This yarn right now not available. I went to buy more and it's not available. I think it's very pretty for the kids. That's what I have, you see. And for example, that's what can be hole like this, but this still not too big, but that's from increasing hole. If you not watch them, you get big hole, even bigger than that. See, this is from increase. That's why the round one really with the hands leave the hole, but if you do with the needle, you can twist this. I will try to twist. When I crochet, I try to twist to make it, you see, I twist it and I make it, this I make it first time with you, but it's all my idea and experience from knitting. So I twist, gonna be maybe lessening hole between, and I just knit, all of them knit again. So I twist and knit. That was every other stitch increase. So I twist and I knit. I twist and I knit. Twist I want to show you some other one. Just I started with this kind of bigger yarn. You see, it's the bigger yarn. That's how it look. Little bit too tight. If its hole does not get together, maybe do not close the hole with this yarn. Get similar color to this smaller yarn and push it and close. So we put this aside and we continue with this. We continue with this. So this was knit, so we do knit. Then you twist, knit, twist, knit, twist, knit, knit, twist, the last one, the last one, and I replace marker. Funny marker, right? And now we do this row without increase, because I see all stitches even. There is no real, you know, mat how to increase. I just will be increase if I see I need to. When I start crawling like this, it's mean need to start to increase. This time see is not crawling yet, so maybe so one row was increased, second one just do without increases. It's quite easy, it's quick. Make it smaller because this is not thick yarn like Bernard. This is from Amazon, a kind of smaller, but it's good for for baby, for small newborn baby. This yarn a little bit better because it's more softer and a little bit thinner, so it don't have to be very heavy put on a baby, you know. So I like this yarn for the babies. So the rest of them do not twist. Only twist those that you increase, okay? Only. Okay, see, it become so quick without increase. The last one, you put, see, it starts crawling. It's mean every other row. We start again. You see here, even bigger yarn can be, you see. But if I twist, maybe same, maybe not. I'm not sure. But you have to add it anyway, so try to add it. Be carefully, tight, until all round complete. So increase, knit, increase. I think it's better increase to knit, increase, 2 stitches knit, increase, see, between 2 stitches increase, increase, 2 stitches knit, increase, 2 stitches knit, two stitches knit. This was increase, increase, 2 stitches knit, increase, 2 stitches knit, 1 increase, 2 stitches knit, increase, 2 stitches knit, increase, 2 stitches knit. That's how go. 2 stitches knit. This was the last one. See, so I believe, see, it has some holes, but you pull them a little bit, adjust them, and it will be okay because they're puffy. And let's do next row, and then I twist it just in case. I twist next row, and the next you can continue third and fourth and fifth, you know, by increases, by looking how you're gonna increase. But if you want me to continue this video, I will do it. Just let me know in the comments below, okay? Because I think from this at least you understand what you need to do. But if not, if later you lost it and you don't know what to do, you let me know, okay? I want to just do this and finish video. That's gonna be 15 minutes, video. See, it's bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I don't know, you like it this way or not? Let me know. You continue without increasing, and then you again increase in no three knit, one increase between stitches. 3 knit, 1 2 3, 1 increase. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you understand. Let me know if you need more help. I will continue this rounds to explain you more, or you're gonna be watching more.